Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. 2016 Audi A4 Premium, 76,000 miles only on it, just serviced it. As you can see, exterior is really great shape. 2.0 turbo, all-wheel drive. It's a Quattro S-Line, and it drives really good. Really nice car. You get so much bang for your buck with this car. Just the handling, the all-wheel drive Quattro system, the peppy 2.0 turbo, and it is clean. Aside from a couple of rock chips on the hood, I mean, the body is really clean. So's the interior as well. 76,000 on it. So it has leather, sunroof, push start, heated seats. You can see the seats are in really good shape. We'll go ahead and start her up. She has 76,249 miles. Has navigation. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or any other import or domestic luxury vehicle, give us a shout. Hopefully we can help you out if you need any repairs. Thanks for checking out this video.